I know I look crazy right now. You're probably like, girl, what are you doing? Oh, wig install. Just don't do it with. Hey y'all, today I'm installing a 13 by 6 wig. It's from Amazon. It's gonna be linked in my Amazon storefront, and it's gonna be linked in my Beacons link, so y'all can go get it from there. The wig is down. I'm happy to install this wig because I love me a good curly wig, honey. Everybody be asking me like what glue I like to use. I like Erica J. At first I did not like it as much, and I was like, oh, this job don't really work for real, but you really have to know how to use it. You can't just put it on there, let it dry, put it on there, let it dry. You can't do that. You literally have to know how to use Erica J glue. Like, you can't let it dry completely before you put your wig on. That's why it's not sticking, and I did not know that. With boho, you can let the glue dry, and then you can put your next layer on, let it dry, put your next layer on. With this glue, it's best to just let it dry a little bit. Ooh. But with this glue, it's best to let it dry a little bit and then put another glue layer on. And then once you do like your 3 or 4 layers, or how many ever layers you do, put that wig down immediately, okay? Do not wait, do not waste no time. Put it down immediately. This is my second layer. But see how it's clear? Yep, going with another layer before it dries. I only be doing 3 layers for real because I feel like 3 is just enough. I don't keep my wigs on that long or do too much where I have to put more layers of glue on. But if you do, you know, physical activities, or you plan on keeping your wig on for a long period of time, then maybe you should do more layers, like 4 or something. But my layers be pretty thick. A lot of y'all don't put glue back for your cap, so that's why your wig be slipping, because there's nothing to hold the rest of the lace in place. That makes sense? The lace in place. I'm gonna rhyme. So when you put that 3rd layer on, that's when you wait a little bit till they get a little tacky. Wait till they get tacky after you put that 3rd layer on, then lay that lace down immediately, because you don't, that's why the wig don't be sticking, it don't be working. Come on, brush it. It's always something. I'm learning more and more to, ooh, gonna snatch the wig off. Put makeup on after I lay my wig down. Like, I don't be trying to cover my whole lace with makeup no more, because I used to try to like tint it as much as I can. Baby, do it afterwards. And this part, you want to make sure your wig is straight. You do not want to make sure your wig is crooked, because it will not fit how you want it to fit. So you will make sure it's straight, and then make sure you putting it right where you want it. Like, do not push that wig in until you got it exactly where you want it. And it's down, just like that, it's down. Then you take your comb, and you just gonna comb through. I take the back of my comb and push down into my glue. Just like so. I just love me and curly hair. Like, it's something about curly hair and me that we just get along. Okay, so after I do that, I take my olive oil spray and I spray it on my finger, and then I just push it in. And right after I push it in, I blow dry it. What you don't want to do is spray your whole hairline, because your wig gonna start lifting because of the liquid that you're putting in. You want to spray and dry, especially if you're a beginner. Okay, so after you do that, your wig should be stuck, like stuck. If it's not stuck, you need to like fix it and do it again or something. If it's not stuck now, it's not gonna stick. So don't even think you tying it down and doing all that gonna fix it. Baby, it's not. Okay, a lot of people use the bigger band. I still use this band. It's hard to get off, but I feel like this gives me the best melt. I need that thing tight. This thing keep tickling my eyelash. Ew. Nothing better than scratching your eyelash. I seen this really cute style on TikTok. So I'm just gonna borrow it from her because it was super cute. Oh my god, I got no storage on my SD card. I'm gonna start this style, like start parting it and stuff so y'all can see, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm cutting the lace and stuff. All right, so I'm about to cut the lace now. I love these little scissors. They're just so easier to use than bigger shears. I cut my lace. Sometimes I cut it into like 3 sections just to make it easier for me to cut. I don't use a razor, y'all. Like, I be wanting to use a razor, but I be scared. Like, oh my gosh, I don't want to cut me or my clients. I be too scared. I'd rather just use my little scissors. And I still cut at like a jagged motion. I'm gonna try it because I just feel like, I don't know, y'all, like I just don't like using a razor. Like, I guess it's easier though. I'm trying to get more into it. I am. Like, the girlies be like, oh girl, use a razor, like it's easier. Maybe it's a little easy, maybe, but your girl rather be safe than sorry. So I'm still gonna use the scissors on my clients because client's not gonna say, oh you cut. I didn't cut nothing. I did not cut you, book. I don't cut my clients. Snip. No. It's easy if you know that your like foundation is glued down, because I feel like it'll be harder if your foundation wasn't as glued and you're trying to use a razor to cut through that and your lace lifting with your no. Use whatever you're comfortable using. Sometimes you just gotta step out that little circle. I'm gonna cut this off camera and come back because I can't see. So I'm gonna have to cut my install kind of short, y'all, because I don't have an SD card. My SD card only got 2 more minutes of storage, so I'm just gonna talk y'all through it, and then I'll give y'all another install next week when I do my red wig. Okay, so after you cut your lace off, like all the excess lace that you cut off, you're gonna just go back with a rat tail comb, and you're just, oh, I have 1 minute left. But you're gonna go back with a rat tail comb, and you're just going to like finish those ragged edges, and then use some, I use this to lay my lace down too, so I'm gonna use this and then blow dry it so it stays down, and I'm gonna come back after I do that. All right, I'm gonna just cut my baby hairs now. I curved them into a C shape, so now I'm gonna just cut them, and I'm cutting at a diagonal. I'm not cutting straight. And I always cut longer than what I want for real, so that way I have room for error and all that good stuff. I'm gonna just curl my baby hairs. I curl down, I never curl up. People be curling up, but I curl down, so do what works for you. Just like that. I'm gonna die for real, like it's gonna die, got no storage. So I spray it with this, just like that. And then I go in with my I go in with Got to Be Gel, the black one. If I can find it real quick. Oh, that works. Oh, it's right here. This one, and I just curve it and swing it. And if you want to see it, go on my TikTok, because my camera might die. Alright, this is the end result. Yeah, I never fully wet my hair ever. I like a poofy look, but I wet it and it's cute. Yeah, real cute, real nice. So to see the full install, go to my TikTok. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. High volume. Am I really that much?